Hey, Scott Young here. I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're doing some online research about the best way to start an affiliate marketing business. So let's jump into it. Before we talk about the best way to start an affiliate marketing business, let's talk about the worst way, okay? Because this is what I did in the beginning, and I want to help you avoid some of the mistakes that I made going into it. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is going for these DFY systems. Not sure if you've heard of these. They're done for you systems, kind of an all-in-one plug and play done for you type of system. The problem with these systems is that they are very low converting and they're replicated all over the internet by thousands of other marketers, so that when anybody is out there looking for affiliate marketing or whatever your niche is, and they see one of these pages that they've seen, dozens of other times, there's really nothing that sets you apart, and so the conversions are super low. I know one of these, for example, that I got into, it had a way of building automated sales letter that would then put it into an automated video and put it up to YouTube. And it sounded so great. You can make all these automated videos about hundreds of different affiliate offers, and man, you'd be making tons of money. The problem is that over years, these videos, because they were so bad and so copied and so replicated, they would only get dozens of views over 4 or 5 years. So, I mean, you're just not going to make any money with done for you systems and copying what everybody else is doing. But I'm going to teach you today, real quick, the other 80% of what you need to know to get a good start with affiliate marketing. I mean, you're probably familiar with the standard affiliate marketing process, which is all good, which is driving traffic to a capture page, capturing the email, sending a series of valuable emails through an autoresponder, and then making the offer for the sale. And that's all good standard stuff. And that's what pretty much everybody teaches. But I want to give you the other part of it that's really going to give you a good start. So the first thing that you want to do, is to pick a product that is a high ticket product. Okay. If you're selling a bunch of $20, $10 items online, you're going to have to make hundreds and hundreds of sales every month just to make the kind of income that you'd like to make. But if you're selling high ticket items, then you only need to do low volume, like 3 to 5 sales per month, and you are making a good income, and you're not expending a ton of money to get leads that are then unprofitable because you're selling such low ticket items. And surprisingly, high ticket items are not that much more difficult to sell than low ticket items. There's a little bit more of barrier, but you'd be surprised what the conversion rates are like on the high ticket items. So you want to look for a good high quality product that's got some high ticket elements to it. So what that leads me to talk about is the value ladder. You need a product and a program that's got a good value ladder. So what that means is that when you send your lead to the sales page, maybe there's a $7 or a $10 product that they buy to get into that sales funnel, into that sales ladder of the affiliate product that you're marketing. And it's good information. It's a good product. It's helping them solve their problem. But then there is an upsell, or further down the line, there is a higher ticket item. It might be $500, might be $1,000. That is really going to take them to the next level of solving their problem. And then further down the road, there might be a $5,000 or $10,000 product, maybe a mastermind, or maybe some personal coaching or something like that, that not everybody's going to be interested in, but a few of them are going to be interested in that, to help them with the issue that they've got, the problem they're trying to solve. And all along the way, you're making commissions on that. And so you might have, broken even on the first $10 commission, and then you make 100% profit if they buy the $1,000 program or item that's being offered, and then a few of them are going to go for the larger one. So that's the key. You want that sales ladder that has a rising value, and that's going to increase your overall profit on that customer. So the idea there is to develop a lifetime value to the customer. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you about what I use to develop a six-figure income, and it's a product that actually has that excellent sales ladder in it. So I'll talk about that in a little bit. Now, the next thing that you need to do is that you need to provide value to endear yourself to your leads. You need to develop likability, trust. They need to get to know you so that when you recommend a product to them, they are willing to listen to you because they've actually gotten to know you through some videos, through some emails, and through some other content that you provided to them, not just selling them, but actually providing valuable content to them. So you also want to develop high income skills that are needed to know how to do this yourself and to add uniqueness to the process. Part of the problem with the done for you systems is there's nothing unique about them. There's no way for you to insert yourself into the process so people can get to know, like, and trust you. It's just a bunch of replicated stuff. So you do need to invest some time to learn some skills. These are high income skills to develop your part of the sales funnel to make it unique. So some copywriting. You need to know a little bit about copywriting, how to write things that are appealing to people. You need to know how to write a decent email. You're not writing a novel, but something that's appealing. You're going to get them to click the link. You need to know how to edit capture page, not from start to finish creating, but just to take a template and to edit it and make it unique. And it's really great if you learn how to make videos. It sounds hard, but it's not as difficult as you think. And these are very powerful ways to get conversions and get people in your sales funnel. The last thing you're going to need is to use a tracking tool so that you know where your traffic is coming from and you know how well it's converting. Because if you don't really know where your traffic's come or where they're converting, then you're really kind of in the dark. You don't know where to focus your efforts. Next, you need to develop the right mindset. This is huge because oftentimes to develop a affiliate marketing business, it's going to take a few months, maybe 6 months before you really start to see the ball going. And many times along that route, you're going to want to quit. You're going to want to think, what's all this time invested? And I haven't seen anything. So you need to develop the right mindset of success and believing that this works, and it's worked for thousands and thousands of people, and it will work for you if you're persistent and you do it the right way. The last thing is you need to learn to be resourceful. A lot of people complain that they don't have the resources they need: money, time, intelligence. I don't know, any of these things, the skills to do this, but that's not ever really the issue. The resources are out there, but you need to be resourceful and go look for the solutions, look for the things that you need to do. I don't know how many times I've run into a technical issue making a landing page or shooting a video or something like that, where it's just, I sit there and I'm banging my head against the wall trying to figure it out, when I could have just, this is what I ended up learning doing. Go to YouTube and search how to do it. Contact a customer service and speak with one of their agents, and they've got me over the hurdle. And so it takes a little bit of thinking about, okay, how can I get this to work, and how can I go pursue the answer and be resourceful to it. So these are the ways that you can really get a jump start in affiliate marketing business if you'll apply these principles along with the standard sales funnel and the autoresponder and the typical aspects. If you combine these things, then you have the full orbed view of how to make money online. You're not just kind of clicking a button and sending people through your sales funnel without adding the value, without adding the skills that are needed to make it successful. So I hope you got value out of this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, click the like button below. And if you want to learn how I learned how to do all this stuff and the program that I went through and the mentorship that I got to be successful and start building a six-figure income, I invite you to click the link right below this video, and you can learn some more if you'd like. All right, I hope you have a good day.